Hello, this is lecture 3, 6th sem, Maths 3, paper 3 by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So in lecture 2, we discussed two problems to show that the tau is a topology on the given set. Whereas now, problem 3, it was asked in 2015. So see the problem. If x is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and tau is equal to set of x, 5, set of 2, set of 3, set of 2, 3, then show that tau is a topology on x. See that the simple problem solution. Let x is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Tau is equal to x, 5, set of 2, set of 3, set of 2, 3. Next, let us verify the 4 conditions to show that tau is a topology. First one, x belongs to tau. Second one, 5 belongs to tau. Third one, set of 2 union set of 3 is equal to set of 2, 3, which belongs to tau. Even x union 5 is equal to x belongs to tau. Set of 2 union set of 2, 3 is equal to set of 2, 3 belongs to tau. A few sets whose union is also belongs to tau. Also, set of 2 union set of 3 union set of 2, 3 is equal to set of 2, 3 belongs to tau. That is, every union of members of tau is a member of tau. Next, fourth condition, x intersection 5 is equal to 5 belongs to tau. Set of 2 intersection set of 3 is equal to 5 belongs to tau. Set of 2 intersection set of 2, 3 is equal to set of 2 belongs to tau. So whatever the intersection you take, intersection of two sets is again a set belongs to 2. That is, every finite intersection of members of 2 is a member of 2. Thus 2 is a topology on X. So next problem, fourth problem, write all the topologies on X is equal to set of A comma B. This question was in 2018 2 marks problem. See that now all the topologies we will write. Given X is equal to set of A comma B. P of A is equal to or P of X. Then P of X is equal to set of X comma phi comma set of A comma set of B. This is P of X. Next, tau 1 is equal to, I will take the 3 subsets. There are 2 subsets first, X comma phi. Clearly tau 1 is equal to X comma phi. Tau 2 is equal to X comma phi comma set of A. Tau 3 is equal to set of X comma phi comma set of B. Comma tau 4 is equal to set of X comma phi comma set of A comma set of B, set of A comma set of B, or four topologies on the set X. Even we verify tau 1 is equal to X comma phi. So first condition is satisfied, second condition is satisfied, even the third condition, X union phi is again X belongs to tau 1. Next, fourth condition, X intersection phi is equal to phi belongs to tau 1. So that tau 1 is a topology. Similarly, all these tau 2, tau 3, tau 4 are also the topologies on the set X. So 4 topologies we can write. So note, number of topologies on the 3-point set capital X is equal to set of A comma B comma C or 29. When we write all the topologies, there is no formula to find the number of topologies on the set X. So why? Because number of topology on the 2-point set is 4 we have there, that we have in the solution of the problem. Whereas now in the 3-point set X is equal to A, B, C, the number of topologies are to be 29, that we are writing in detail, suppose. So similarly for n is equal to 4, 5, 6, like that, number of topologies, the number of topologies, capital N of 4 is equal to capital N of 4 is equal to 355. N of 5 is equal to 7181. N of 6 is equal to 1,45,807, and so on. So that they won't ask the number of topologies on the 3-point set like X is equal to set of A, B, C, because it takes more time to write all the topologies which are to be 29. So fifth problem, if X is equal to set of A, B, C, then show that A problem, tau is equal to set of X, 5, set of A, set of B is not a topology on X. Next, B problem, tau is equal to set of X, 5, set of A, B, set of B, C is not a topology on X. See that now the solutions for that. Given the A problem, I will discuss. Given X is equal to set of A, B, C. Tau is equal to set of X, 5, set of A, set of B. Next, here to show that it is not a topology, let us verify all the 4 conditions. X belongs to tau. Second one is 5 belongs to tau. Third one is set of A union set of B is equal to set of A, B. Does not belongs to tau. So the tau is not a topology on X. That is a very union of members of TOE is not a member of TOE. Thus, TOE is not a topology. TOE is not a topology on X. Next, B problem. TOE is equal to set of x comma phi, they are given, comma set of a comma b, set of b comma c. So first condition, x belongs to TOE. Second condition, phi belongs to TOE. Third condition, x union phi is equal to x belongs to TOE. Set of A comma B union set of B comma C is equal to set of A comma B comma C. It does not belongs to TOE. That is, every union of members of TOE is not a member of TOE. Is not a member of TOE. Thus, TOE is not a topology on X. Right, sixth problem. Take this problem to homework. Let x is equal to set of a comma b comma c comma d comma e. Determine whether or not each of the following family of subsets of X is a topology on X. See that the topologies, a problem. Some TOE1 is equal to set of x comma phi comma set of b comma set of b comma c comma set of a. Next, b TOE2 is equal to set of x comma phi comma set of a comma c comma set of a comma b comma d comma set of a comma b comma c comma d. Right, b is TOE2 is equal to x comma phi comma set of a comma c comma set of a comma d comma set of a comma b comma c comma d. Next, TOE3 is equal to C problem. TOE3 is equal to set of x comma phi comma set of a comma b comma c comma set of b comma c comma d comma set of a comma c comma d. Right. So this problem you take to homework. Even the answer is to be A problem. A. Answer A. TOE1 is not a topology. Is not a topology on X. B. TOE2 is a topology on X. Is a topology on X. C. Toe 3 is not a topology, on X. So why the toe 1 is not a topology? Even that you can see it. Set of B, C union set of A is equal to set of A, B, C does not belongs to toe 1, so that it is not a topology. So B easily to verify. Next, coming to C, that set of A, B, C union set of B, C, D is set of A, B, C, D. That does not belongs to toe 3. So that toe 3 is not a topology on X. So you can do this problem. The remaining we will see in next lecture. Thank you very much.